In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly AI for editing social media captions. By the end, you'll know how to install the Grammarly extension and use its Improve It feature to polish a caption quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser. I'll use Chrome as the example since Grammarly's extension works great there. Look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots to open the main menu. From that menu, hover over Extensions, then select Visit Chrome Web Store. This takes you directly to the official catalog where you can safely add browser tools. In the Chrome Web Store's search bar, type Grammarly. You're looking for the official Grammarly extension, which is typically labeled Grammarly, Grammar Checker and Writing App. Open its page to confirm you're in the right place, then click Add to Chrome. When the confirmation pop-up appears, click Add Extension. The extension will install in a moment, and Grammarly will be available in your browser for any site where you write. Now, head to your social platform and open the post or caption you want to refine. Place your cursor in the caption box so Grammarly can detect the text. You should see the Grammarly icon appear near the text field. Click that Grammarly icon to open its editing panel. This panel scans your writing for clarity, tone, grammar, and style, and it's designed to keep your voice intact while making the caption cleaner and more impactful. With the panel open, click Improve It. This is Grammarly's AI-powered rewrite that instantly elevates your caption. It analyzes your draft and suggests a version that's typically clearer, more concise, and better aligned with social media style. Read through the improved caption and make sure it still sounds like you. If you want to keep a particular phrase, you can copy it back into the revised version. If a platform has strict character limits, glance at the length to confirm it fits. A few quick tips as you review the improved caption. Check that any brand names, dates, or links remain correct. Keep emojis or hashtags that matter to your post's reach, and make sure the overall tone matches your intent. Playful, professional, or somewhere in between. When you're happy with the results, simply use the improved text in your caption box and you're ready to post. That's it. You opened your browser, accessed the Chrome Web Store, installed Grammarly, went to your post, opened the Grammarly panel, and used Improve It to get a polished, platform-ready caption with just a click.